Hey guys, this is Maverick here with the A.R.M.S company. What we're going to be going over today with this Glock 17 Gen 5 is pretty much what a trigger reset is. So let's first make sure that this weapon is clear. And as you can see, there is no ammunition in there. And pretty much demonstrating what a trigger reset is. So literally, I'm going to put my finger on the trigger. I'm going to bring all the slack in until I come to a wall. And then once I go past that, that's where you will hear if this was a loaded firearm, a bang. So let's go through that. Rack the slide. There go the reset. So at this point, you don't really want to let go of the actual trigger. You want to just pull that trigger again, the slide will go back, putting another round into the chamber. There you go again. Another pull here. Slide will go back again. There you go.